It's about to eat you. This nigga come look at the house.
You ain't never available. I'm always available. You ain't never available. I forgot what was going on.
Good as hell straight. 18,000. You out your mind. Cleanup gonna be 3-4. 3-4 racks.
You gotta play.
Like they had a lot of leaks. Or
This cotton? Oh, yes.
cleanup gonna be crazy.
I got the monopoly.
I see about 3 dumpsters. You're like, okay. Man. How you gonna, like, I guess we have to keep it. That's gonna take forever to skim coat.
It's like a design.
Something like that. But they did it for a reason. I'm pretty sure they did it because it was leaks. So instead of just having one spot like that, they did it everywhere so you wouldn't notice. What are the tricks?
No, I mean, but you noticed.
Pull this carpet out?
Yeah. No, we're gonna keep it and clean it. Yeah. Just need to keep the carpet. The window, we gotta change the window.
Oh,
It's broke. It's broke. The bottom piece.
sassy.
Come on, bro. Sassy. I want to see this basement.
Got it.
Oh, that's 1, 2. Oh, it's 3 bedrooms. Okay.
Whoa, hold on. Bro.
Straight. One of the cracks you seen. Over here.
That cat got to jump on me. Oh, shoot.
Poop everywhere.
Very.
Oh,
Don't step over there.
yeah. This.
It's just this wall. What's with that?
Okay.
They ain't going though. They ain't going. Just needs a lot of tuck point. I already know she gonna say, "Oh, all Michigan basements got that."
Got that?
I'm gonna say what?
He gonna say all the Michigan basements got that.
Okay.
TV in the basement.
Right here. That's probably why so much water. The gutter. It's like
Oh, that gotta be cleaned up so you can even see.
right. They tried to do some tuck point down there, but I mean, it's a lot of room though. 170, 160, what they want, huh?
Yeah.
So even if you over budget, you got 60.
A lot of plants, though.
If
A
you
lot of
go to
plants.
30.
that way.
Still at what, 90? Still got like 70, 80,000 worth of room. Man, the cleanup gonna be heavy.
But I don't know. I don't see no place for a dumpster. I was thinking the dumpster gonna be the best thing to do. But that way you could try to demo the house. I really need some guys that can do some demo too.
Door is rotted if it's swelled up like that.
Awesome. Hopefully it's just the shingles that just push it back down.
Power cord, crutches. If I had my
A
resale
bicycle.
shop,
A bicycle.
I could definitely resell a lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff in the
Whatever
attic
that
too.
is. What is that? A motor or something?
A motor.
What is that? And then the
Where?
bushes. Right here next to the gas can.
The orange thing.
What's that?
Probably.
It looks like an engine.
Motor or something, yeah. A lawnmower motor or something.
Alcoy. Talking about, yeah, the owner, he out of country, whatever. He said he can do 53. He won't go no lower. I said 50.
Mm-hmm.
But if I ain't mistaken, Alcoy was the one. Wasn't much room over there, was it? Talking about the comps. I texted to you. I gotta read it. I think I said 115 or something. 110.
Well, that's the one you had said 53, and I was like, we a deal.
Well, I told him I'd do 53 if he pay all the closing costs.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I guess it'd be the same, because if we did 50, closing costs would be about 2 racks. Be 52. So, so if he do closing costs, it's only like $1,000. Really 50. But yeah, man, he got this is like about 3 dumpsters, 50, 30 yarders.
Unless, yeah, cause you want to get like the, so that mean they take some.
They'll leave that, drop it off, and then once you fill it up, they'll come get it. I just have to tell them ahead of time, like, man, we're gonna need.
But hold on, but if you do it like that, so that's what 300-400 a pop
500 a pop
plus labor.
plus labor. Yeah.
Then if that's the case,
I got one. This is small.
what I'm saying, like, if that's the case, what about if the guys just put it on their trailers and take it away, keep going back and forth?
How many trips?
Say what?
Just bought the house, basically.
Ah.
Wire transfer.
Okay. What's a wire transfer?
Excuse me?
What's a wire transfer?
You said, what is it?
Yeah.
Like wiring another bank some money for the house.
Ah.
Purchase price. See it?
I do see it.
And now it's time to go to work.